A very good morning, students. Students, today we are going to start our lesson number 4, Weather and Climate. Lesson number 4 is Weather and Climate. Before starting with this chapter, I would like to give certain instructions related to previous chapters. Students, we have completed total 3 lessons. Lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. I have given you all workbook answers also, and I hope you all have completed your geography workbook. If you have any doubt related to these 3 chapters, you can message in the group or you can message me. I will clear all your doubts related to geography. Okay. So till lesson number 3, we have completed everything, each and every question. Clear? Today we will start lesson number 4, Weather and Climate. Students, I'm asking you all one question. Is there a difference between weather and climate? Is there any difference between weather and climate? What do you think? As the names are different, weather, the name is different, and the climate, these both names are different. It means that their meaning is also different, right? I repeat, students, weather and climate, these two words are different words. It means that their meaning is different. Weather and climate is not same. Just take a note of this. Weather is different and climate is different. So in this lesson, we are going to see what is weather and what is climate, so that you can use these words correctly in your day-to-day conversation. Right? Often we make mistake in these words. Where to use weather, where to use climate. So today I'm going to teach you the meanings of weather and climate. Okay, are you all ready, students? Okay. What is the difference between weather and climate? So let's see what is the difference. First we will see weather. What is weather? The condition of the air or the atmosphere in general at a particular moment or over a short period of time. Let me explain you all these, students. Weather means the condition of the air or the atmosphere. Right? Condition of the air. What is the condition of the air? Whether it is cool, whether it is hot, the atmosphere is cool or hot, that is called the condition of the air or the atmosphere at a particular moment or over short period of time. Means weather means a condition of atmosphere a short period of time. Okay, over a short period of time, that will not last for longer time. So that we will call weather. It is an experience from day to day and may change anytime. Weather may change anytime. If you see in our environment, weather changes frequently. Sometimes we feel cold, sometimes hot. It means it changes time to time, day to day, right? So it means it is a short period of time. It not last longer time, yes or no? So that is called weather. I repeat, students, the condition of the air or the atmosphere in general at a particular moment or over a short period of time. It means that, in short, we can say weather means condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. So, this is called weather. You have to remember one word over here, that is short period of time. These words you have to remember over here, that is short period of time. If I say weather means short period of time. Condition of the air over a short period of time. Clear? Okay. These are different types of weather. Sometimes weather is sunny. We can say today weather is sunny. Partly cloudy. Then cloudy and rainy. So different types of weather are sunny, partly cloudy, cloudy and rainy. Okay. So next we will see climate. So what do you mean by climate? Climate means the average condition of the atmosphere in a given place or region. I repeat, the average condition of the atmosphere in a given place or region. Second point, observed every year and the summary of the weather patterns of a given region. Okay, I will explain you this in simple words. Okay, climate means a weather only. Climate means a weather only, but over a long period of time. Climate means weather patterns of a place over a long period of time. Means that weather patterns last long. I will give you one example over here. Suppose we take Mahabaleshwar, a hill station. Okay, so we can say their climate is cool. Yes or no? Because Mahabaleshwar is a hill station, so we often feel cold over there. So there we can say climate of Mahabaleshwar. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the difference between weather and climate. So once again I will clear this, what is weather and what is climate. Okay, those who have not understood, please listen again. Weather means condition of air at particular place over a short period of time. Weather means condition of the air at a particular place over a short period of time. And climate means weather patterns of a place over a long period of time. So here I will tell you one trick to remember the difference between weather and climate. Okay, so what is the trick? If I say weather, you have to remember words short period. Okay, weather short period, climate long period. Yes or no? Can you remember now? Weather means short period of time. Condition of air over a short period of time. And climate means condition of air over a long period of time. Okay. So here I hope you all have understood the difference between weather and climate. Okay. So let's start. Here the climates of the world. There are 3 climate zones. Okay, 3 climate zones are, see in this figure, this yellow color part is there. This zone is called hot zone. These zones are called hot zones. Why hot zones? I have already taught this. Because at this part, sun rays are perpendicular. It means directly sun rays are coming on these areas. So that's why these zones are hot zones. Means the area which are located in these, the places or the continents which are there on this zone are all hot zones. And what is the reason over here? The reason is perpendicular sun rays. Okay. Second is temperate zone. Can you see green color part? This green color part is called temperate zone. Temperate zone means less hot. Means slanting perpendicular sun rays. Slanting perpendicular sun rays. Third zone is cold zone. Cold zone means this blue color. Here also it is there, just slight blue color if you see at South Pole. So these are called cold zones. Means very slanting rays. Very slanting rays are coming on these areas. Okay. So 3 types of climate zones are there. First one, hot zone, temperate zone, cold zone. Okay. Here we will start our lesson. Can you see this slide? This table is there. This table is there in your textbook, very first page. On very first page, if you see, this table is there. So it means that from here we have started. Okay. This is activity and we are going to solve this activity today in this online lecture. So let's start. Can you tell the weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows on 10 June? Use the table to answer the questions. First place is given Kochi. State is Kerala. Kochi is located at Kerala. Timing is given 12:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. means afternoon. Okay. And the weather is given cloudy. Okay. First we will discuss this table. Okay. And then we will move towards these questions. Alright. Serial number 2. Bhopal. Bhopal is located at Madhya Pradesh. Timing is 12:30 p.m. that is afternoon. And the weather is given hot and sunny. Third, Mussoorie is located at Uttarakhand. 12:30 p.m. timing is given and the weather is cold and mild sun. Means less sun heat. Mild sun means less sun heat. Have you understood this table? Now let's move towards first question, that is, in which place will the clothes on a clothesline dry quickly? Why? I repeat, students, in which place will the clothes on a clothesline dry quickly and why? I am giving you all some time to see the answer of this question, to get the answer of this question. So which place is there? So will the clothes on clothesline dry quickly? Which place can you tell? Whether in Kochi or Bhopal or Mussoorie, what do you think? See the weather of Kochi, it is cloudy. So clothes will not dry quickly over here. Here hot and sunny means very perpendicular sun rays, and here cold weather and mild sun. So I know you all got the answer. So which is the answer? Bhopal. So in which place will the clothes on a clothesline dry quickly? Bhopal. Yes. Why? So why? Because due to the hot sun, the water in the wet clothes get converted into vapor quickly. See the weather of Bhopal. It's hot and sunny. So because of this hot sun, whatever water is there in wet clothes, that will get convert in vapor quickly. Understood this one? Now question number 2. In which place will they dry slowly and why? So again I will give you some time to get the answer. Which place will they dry slowly, very slowly? Whether it is in Kochi, Bhopal or Mussoorie. Answer is Mussoorie. Why? See the weather, cold weather, mild sun. So because of this, clothes will dry slowly. So I will tell you the answer. Clothes will take longer time to dry in Mussoorie because of the medium heat and cold air. Because of medium heat and cold air. Clear? Yes. Yes or no? Let's proceed further. Third question. Will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? I repeat. Will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? What do you think, students? Weather conditions will change in these places? The answer is the atmospheric conditions of these places will change from time to time. They will not last long. So it will change time to time. Students, here we have completed this activity. Okay. Have you all understood this activity? This is very easy. If you have understood the meaning of weather and climate, you will definitely solve this on your own. Okay, students? We'll move towards our next part, that is Kochi, which is in Kerala. Right? See the air conditions. It is cloudy. Yes or no? Then we have Bhopal, hot and sunny. This is the weather which is given in the activity. Okay? This is the atmospheric condition of Bhopal on 10 June, which is given in our activity. Then third we have Mussoorie. See the cold weather and mild sun. Yes or no? Cold weather and mild sun. Let's go through again. Kochi, cloudy weather. Bhopal, hot and sunny. Mussoorie, cold weather, mild sun. Students, I would like to explain this further. See students, just now we have seen activity. The weather conditions at each of the places given, right? Kochi has cloudy weather. Just now we have seen Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is little sunlight. Cloudy weather means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for clothes to dry. Yes or no? And you may have observed a similar situation at your place during rainy seasons. Now students, rainy season has started, right? So we are experiencing that our clothes are not quickly dry. We have to wait for more time because of this cloudy weather. Yes or no? Bhopal. At Bhopal, there is a hot sun. The water in the wet clothes get converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. This also we have experienced in in summer seasons. Yes or no? Because in summer season hot sun is there. So our wet clothes get converted into vapor and it quickly dries. Okay. Then Mussoorie. Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. You know where is Tropic of Cancer, right? So Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat, medium heat. The air there is cool too due to its location on a mountain. This is located because this is the mountain. It is located on a mountain. And these conditions keep on changing. And we always experience such changes. One thing you are experiencing in today's situation, today's season, that is rainy season. So one condition you are experiencing, right? So what we have studied today, students, quickly we will revise the difference between weather and climate. Yes or no? Weather types, climate zones, and activity. So thank you so much, students. If you have any doubt related to today's lecture, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you so much.